In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube videos to your Canva project. Now you can add any video to any project on Canva. You obviously have your own reasons for adding a YouTube video, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. I'm inside my Canva project here, and I happen to be creating a presentation. But again, you can add this to any project. Now what you want to do once you're inside of your Canva project, you need to go to apps in the bottom left-hand corner. And then from here, you want to just do a search for embed. So search for embed, click enter, and there'll be 6 different icons that we can choose. I'm going to choose this app here, the embed app in the top left-hand corner. Then it will ask me where I want to embed a video from. We're going to go ahead and click on YouTube, and that's going to add a YouTube video. Now that's all left to do is to go ahead and paste in your link. So you need to go ahead and find a link to your video. So I've got my video here, how to edit videos in Canva 2024, full guide for beginners. I've got this video open and I'm going to add this video. So I'm going to copy this URL at the top here. Then I'm going to go to Canva. And if I've already clicked on YouTube and a video is being added to my project, I just want to go ahead and click on it, click edit link, and then we can delete this existing link and you can paste in the link that you've copied. It's then going to recognize that link and you can go ahead and just click enter and it then should add that video. Now you can go ahead and resize this video however you want, and this video will be able to be played once you go ahead and present this. So that's how you can embed a YouTube video in Canva.